Good evening, sir. This is Shivansu, and in this video, I will be talking about my project on book recommendation system using collaborative filtering in the given dataset as provided. So, firstly, I imported the pandas library, and then after NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So here I have three datasets: books.csv, users.csv, and ratings.csv. I have collected these datasets from this book recommendation dataset in the Kaggle. And here's the users.csv, ratings.csv, and books.csv. And now, so firstly, I have checked this books.csv dataset. Here it has ISBN column, book title, book author, year of publication, publisher, and image URL, small, medium, and large. So I in this video afterwards, I'll be taking this image URL of medium size. That's it. This image URL is from Amazon website where it is getting published. So after that, I have checked the users.head, like what are the things they have in it, like user's ID, location, and age. Here, some of there are missing values for the age, but it is not required in later project. So after that, this ratings, it has user ID, ISBN number, and book rating. One thing to notice is that this ISBN number is unique, and it is in both ratings as well as in books dataset. So laterwards we can merge it down. Firstly, here it is. We have checked it. Users and books ratings size with in which so user section have three columns and this so many rows. And after that, books have eight columns and ratings again has three columns. So I have checked in book column. There are some missing values for this book author, then after publisher, and three large images. And I think these three are not required in Dataverse. And then after there, I have checked if there are any duplicated items in the book section, rating section, and US section. It is showing zero. Then after, here's the ratings. I have run it down. It has user ID, ISBN number, and book rating. So it is showing 05036, which are given by the users of these. After that, earlier what I have told is that ISBN number for ratings as well as the books both have unique ISBN number. So I have merged it down on the basis of ISBN number, and which I have written down like ratings with name. So here I am calculating the num ratings as well as average ratings on the basis of which I will take the recommended system uh, how the similarity goes ahead with a particular book and for recommending five books in later words. So here num rating. So num rating with name like this ratings dot merge books on ISBN. This merged table will be grouped by this book title, which will counting the book rating. Like and then after I have renamed this book rating to num ratings, and here it is. Like the book title, A Light in the Storm, it has num ratings of 4. Then after always have popsicles 1 like this. There is no sorting till now. And after that, num ratings, I have calculated the average ratings of the books with this function PD to numeric, where I have calculated the book rating, book ratings of uh, um, book ratings in terms of average ratings. Then after here, I have merged the both num ratings and average ratings and named it down like popular DF and run it. So here is the table: book title, num ratings, and average ratings. Here, this first index of A Light in the Storm book, Civil War Diary. It has num ratings are 4 and average ratings are 2.25. Here, this 2.25 average ratings is ratings given by users and the average. And after that, this is the graph of top 30 books according to a data set. Like here is the average rating from 0 to 10 ranking, and here the only top 30 ratings of the book. Light in the Storm, it has ratings of 3, and then after always have obstacles is showing 0, and here dark justice 10, deceived 0, like this. There's so much variation. So after this, I will be sorting this down. In the popularity of, I am sorting all the books which have num rating greater than 100, and sorting the average ratings on the basis of their highest average rating, highest average. So I am now only getting 50 books, as I mentioned, only 50 books here. And then after, here is the I have merged all the popular DF. Here popular D is showing this nominations and average ratings along with this book title. And here I have dropped duplicates, like ISBN number has unique number, but some of ISBN number has same number, same name of books. So I have so I have removed all the duplicates books. And for the unique ISBN number, I have a unique type of book. So here it is showing book title, here number ratings, and average ratings, and all these are sorted. Like only 50 books are showing here. And then after, here it is only showing there are many types of image, URLs, small, large, and publisher, year publisher, which are not required anymore. So here I have dropped the book title duplicates, and then after I have chose only those uh, columns which are required, like book title, book author, image, URL, num ratings, and average ratings. Here it is showing like in the Harry Potter Prisoner of Azkaban by J.K. Rowling. It is showing all these things, like book title, book author, image, URL, numbers, average ratings. And they are in a sorted order, like it has 428, for average ratings of 5.8. It is sorted in the basis of average ratings. And then after, uh, here it is ratings with name. Earlier it was showing ratings with name here, where, like here, ratings with name is the dataset in which I concluded both ratings dataset as well as books dataset. So it has both, like here, user ID, ISBN number, book rating, book title, year of publication. Here it is. So I have grouped this ratings with name, with user ID and the count of book rating, like user ID and the count of book rating. So my algorithm is that uh, I will be taking all the users who have rated books more than 200, so which means they are experienced users, and all the books which have been rated down by the users more than 50 times. So we get the recommendation of books which are more popular books or famous books in later. Like we search like a book 1984, then it recommends the books which are similar to it and are popular also. So on the basis of which we have filtered it down. So here I have taken this books graph, number of book ratings, and user ID, which users have given highest ratings, and first 30 users. And then after, I have taken this book rating, which have given, which users which have given rating greater than 200. This is the list, but it is showing fast. So I have written it with a Boolean expression, and this is showing now like 254, which a user ID user have given book ratings more than 200, like this. It is showing, and then after this says filtering rating, like we have filtered it down to using the user ID, which have taken book rating more than 200 times, and here it is showing all the books which have filled, which have been given full rating more than 50 times, like 1984, First to Die novel, Second Chance. All these are books which have been written down more than 50 times, and this is only showing index. So here it is. All this is the final ratings of user ID and ISBN numbers. And then after I have taken the final ratings. Taken the final rating in the form of pivot table, in which we have a book title in the form of column and other in the index, and in the form of column we use it. the user ID. So here it is showing user ID, all the users which have given rating more than 200 times, and all the books which have been rated more than 50 times. And it is showing the average ratings of these books, which is showing the values of book rating. So here it is. In the place of NaN, to remove it with a digit 0, I have used this Hilna, which will remove uh, this NaN to 0 0 conversion. And then after for the recommendation system which I have been using, I imported a library called sklearn matrices.pairwise, and I imported it cosine relativity. And so it's used and it's using Euclidean similarity algorithm, and like it is based on the minimum distance between mm, two books which have showing the minor similarities, the showing more similarity in a minor way. So it is getting this like similarity score of 0 for this array 1, 0.01, 0.01. This is showing going downwards. And then after I have uh, defined a recommend the book name recommend function, where if I type a book name, then it will showing me five books. Like here it is 1 to 5, only five books which are popular enough and are related to similar to the book I have searched for. And it will show this book title, dear book author, and a medium size URL of the uh, book. And like if I'm showing, I'm calling this function recommend 1984, then it will show animal form, the book, then after its author, George Orwell, and then after and URL. Like it is showing three contents for the five books. Here it is showing four books. And after that, it is the final index. Like all books which have indexed in particular for 1984, First to Die, and novel like this. Here it is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 indexing, 1984 First to Die. In this series, aim is showing 1982 final index. Like in the final and the index of 5, this abandon the road book, final index. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Abandon the road. So here abandon the road, a user of 276 ID have given this value of rating 7 like this. So at last I have searched for the recommend abandon the road book. It is showing four more books like A Walk to Remember, The Last Time They Met, Sea Glass, and Angels. And there are total five books: Abandon the Road, A Walk to Remember, The Last Time, Sea Glass, and HTTP. And this is the project. I have done it. So, okay, sir. This is the project. And please give the feedback if necessary. Thank you, sir. Bye.